Hello. Yes. Today I am going to start a new chapter which is system of linear equations. So system of linear equation को जानने से पहले first I'll introduce the definition, the basic definition of equation. So first I'll give you the idea of what do you mean by equation and then what do you mean by linear equation, because this topic consists of the system of linear equation. There are so many kind of equation, but in this chapter we will study only the linear equation, the equation which are linear in nature. So first thing is, what is the definition of equation? Definition of equation क्या होता है? Now equation is defined as, an equation is the statement that say that the value of two mathematical expression is equal. I repeat again, an equation is a statement that say that the value of two mathematical expression is equal, or in other word you can say that an equation says that two things are equal. Now again I am repeating, you can also write down this statement. An equation is a statement that say that the value of two mathematical expression is equal. So in this term, system of linear equation, what are the examples of equation? So as per definition, and what is my definition? My definition is an equation of a statement that say that the value of two mathematical expression is equal. It means that if suppose I am writing 8, this 8 could be like this. 8 could be 2 plus 6, or it can be 4 plus 4, or it can be 1 plus 7. So if I am writing the three equation number 1, equation number 2 and equation number 3, in all three cases the left hand side value is equal to right hand side value. So in this I am defining the equation which state that the value of two mathematical expressions which are equal in nature. So in this case, if you are looking in the first equation, 8 equal to 2 plus 6, so left hand side is 8, right hand side is 2 plus 6, which is equal to 8. In second equation, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, which is similar to the left hand side value. Similarly, in the third equation, 1 plus 7 gives you 8, which is equal to left hand side value. So in all three equations, you have left hand side value is equal to right hand side value. And this is the statement of equation which says that the value of two mathematical expression is equal, or in other words you can say that equation says two things are equal in nature. So you can, in another example I can write my equation like this also. X plus 2y is equal to 5. So this is also the example of equation. It is also the example of equation. In this case, this x plus 2y, the summation of all these two quantity must be equal to 5. So for instance, if I am putting x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 in this equation, what you will get? So if I am putting x equal to 1, you will get 1 plus 2 multiplied by y equal to 2. So I am putting y equal to 2. So 1 plus 2 into 2, that is equal to what? 1, 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. And this is my left hand side value, and right hand side value is also 5. So in this case again, my left hand side value is equal to right hand side value. So this is also the example of equation. So in this particular session, I'll clear you the basic definition of statement of equation. An equation is a statement that say that the value of two mathematical expression is equal. So this is all about the definition of equation. Now I'm going to move another case. In this case I'm giving you the idea of different types of linear equation. Here I'm going to discuss you the different types of equation. So this topic is basically what? Types of equation. How many types of equation used in mathematics? This is I am going to tell you. So there are different kinds of equation. The first one is linear equation. Second equation is known as quadratic equation. So first one is linear equation, second thing is quadratic equation, third one is radical equation. Radical equation. Fourth one is trigonometrical equation. Trigonometric equation. Trigonometric equations. Equations. So these all are equations. And fifth one is polynomial equation. Polynomial equation. And last one is your exponential equation. Exponential equations. So these all are the types of equations. First one is linear equation, second is quadratic equation, third one is radical equation, fourth one is trigonometric equation, fifth one is polynomial equations, and sixth one is exponential equation. But this particular class, this particular section is based on only one kind of equation, which is linear equation. I am going to give you more example that how you solve linear equation. But before going much into the detail, I'll tell you in this linear types of equation, there are two kinds of equation in this: linear equations as well as one equation is more called non-linear equations. Non-linear equations. So your equation could be linear equation or non-linear equations, could be quadratic equation, it could be radical, trigonometric, polynomial or exponential equation. So these all are the types of equation.